Hello everyone, I hope you've been having a good time, that you all been well in these times of the pandemic. I hope you and your family members all be safe and out of danger from the disease and so on. Now, for today's class, we're going to cover future tense with will and going to. We're going to cover how will and going to can be used in some specific cases and how to recognize them. We are going to use both will and going to express future actions, to express stuff that is going to happen, of course, in the future, stuff that hasn't happened yet but will happen eventually. And there are specific cases in order to corroborate that fact, specific cases in which you can use whether it be will or going to. Let's take a look at the following examples. First, we have will, and will has three specific cases. The first one is that it is used to express future actions decided at the moment of speaking, an immediate decision. So this is basically when you think of something that you want to do in the moment, like immediately. So as an example, we have I'll have salad now. Of course, I'll is a contraction because its original form is I will have salad now. The second case will be that it is used to express a prediction based on personal opinions or experiences. The example is that I think Costa Rica will win the game. Why do I think it will win the game? Because it's my opinion, my personal opinion, or my experience, because I've seen the Costa Rica team win a past game or two. So that's why I say that we are going to win. So basically, you can use will in order to go for a specific result or fact that is supported by previous evidence, like in this case for the example. The third case will be that it is used to express a future fact. For example, the sun will rise tomorrow. And that's a fact, of course, because based on how nature works, on how our planet rotates towards the sun, every morning the sun goes up and we see daylight. So it's something that repeats itself every day. So it's because of that it is a fact. So regarding facts, you can use will to express a future action that is going to happen, yes or yes. Now it's the turn for going to be covered. As the same way as will, going to has three specific cases that can activate its use. First, we have that it is used to express future plans decided before the moment of speaking, which is prior plans. For example, I'm going to visit my aunt next Friday. Of course, this is an example because I'm not going to go out in these days of pandemic, and you shouldn't go out too. So it's just a fictional example, just saying. But yeah, it is used to make plans that were made prior some days before you speak about it. So it is about you use it to talk about future actions that are going to happen because you planned them from beforehand. The second case will be that it is used to express a prediction based on present evidence. For example, look at those black clouds, it is going to rain. Of course, if let's say that it is a cold day and the sky is full of black clouds. If you see them, it is most possible that it is going to rain in some minutes because it has happened a lot. So based on that proof, we could use going to in order to predict something that is pretty much possible that is going to happen. So we're talking about a future action that it will take place most likely. The third and last example is that it is used to express something that is about to happen right in the moment as we speak. The example is, get back, the bomb is going to explode. So it is used basically when something is going to happen immediately and inevitably. Something that cannot be like something that is going to happen without a doubt. So in those cases, going to is used because it is something that it's maybe like 1 second or 2 seconds to happen, like almost it's instantly. As an extra, we have that both will and going to can be used for making future predictions without having a real difference in meaning. So it means that if you're going to do a prediction based on something that is going to happen in the future, possibly, you can use both, whether it be will or going to, and either way, either choice is going to be correct. So in those cases, you can use one of those two, and you can be sure that you've done a good job. For example, I think it will be foggy tomorrow. That is the same as saying I think it is going to be foggy tomorrow. In both cases, we're making a prediction because we think that tomorrow is going to be foggy, but we don't know if it'll be indeed foggy. So maybe it will, maybe it won't. Only time will tell. Alright, I hope that you all have enjoyed and learned a lot with this explanation about the different cases in which you can use will and going to in order to talk about future actions based in the future tense. Now, we're going to leave this with a short practice about the usage of both will and going to. The link is gonna be right now in the screen for you to follow it up and do the quick practice. You're gonna find the answers there also if you want to check up and see how you did. So yeah, I hope that you all have enjoyed. Stay safe and have a good one. Peace out.